Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change it to the front one, so let's do it by using this button from the right. And here we are. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings icon so we can open camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to general category, and now we can find the mirror reflection option at 4th place. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on our camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.